do not go in any field without having a proper knowledge about it. They will not choose you. You can say that directly. So my name is Sujit. I live in Pune and I have completed my graduation from Pune University in computer engineering, and I passed out last year in 2022. So before joining the 10x Academy, I had some knowledge about web development. However, I wanted to take my skills to the next level and gain some practical experience. That's why I decided to enroll in the academy to further improve my expertise and increase my chances of securing a better job in the field. So when I started on this path of computer engineering, I initially expected to learn some practical skills in the web development and gain knowledge that is relevant to the industry and improve my chances on finding a good job in the field. But after joining the 10x Academy, I created a lots of projects based on the real-time applications. That's how I get the experience, practical experience. While I was in my second year, when that time the pandemic started, and almost my 3 years was from my home, so I didn't get any practical experience from my college. That's why I thought, I need some experience before joining any company. And without any more knowledge on my previous knowledge, no company will hire me. That's why I decided to join this. I was applying, but that the job description I cannot find me a particular fit for that role. Whenever I tried to search any job, almost every job was for web development, and I was not having much knowledge in the field. That's why I joined. Advice will be like, do not go in any field without having a proper knowledge about it. So you should have a proper knowledge. Without that, it is not applicable in this industry, and your interview will be not, they will not choose you. You can say that directly. You should have a proper knowledge. Had an incredible experience at the 10x Academy. The 6 months bootcamp was exceeded my expectation in terms of the content and hands-on experience, and the curriculum was well structured, covering wide range of essential web development skills, and the instructors were highly knowledgeable and dedicated, and provided excellent guidance and support throughout the program.